Okay, hello. So this is the first time I've opened Mari for a long time. Tried it years ago, but I thought I'd try it again. And so I'm a complete noob, and everything I do here will be trial and error basically. So what I've done so far is I've created base layer. I've just painted a little bit, and I've just added a few. Where is it? Where is it? There we go. So there we go. See, still learning. So I've just added in some dirt and some freckles. But one thing that's curious, which I'm not sure about, is I'm going to try and see what happens. I don't want it so bright, so shiny. Here we go. Let's see. Will this actually change it? Yes. Because it was way too shiny before. Okay, so that's quite handy to know. Definitely want some subsurface on there. So some of the geo is a little bit funky too at the moment. I just need to adjust it, mainly around the eyes, but I just wanted to test out basically. I still haven't got used to the way that rotate and navigate this. But anyway. So what do I want to do? Let's make sure I'm on the right layer. Yeah, I'm on the dirt layer, so I want to turn off. Let's just see what happens by painting on the dirt layer, see if I can actually get this to work properly. Where's the image gone? Image manager. So let's put yeah, let's rotate. There we go, let's scale. So what I'm pressing is Control to rotate, the Control Shift to scale, and nothing's happening because I can't remember what did I do wrong. I did this the other day and I was like, what? Was it going onto there? Is it going onto the wrong layer? It might be going onto the wrong layer. Is it? Looks like I've done it. So I want to be painting on. Oh no, I just had dirt layer turned off. Whoops. Right, let's try that again. Is it there now? It's still there. Come on. Still there? No, brilliant. Okay, but now I've changed the shade. I'll go back and now let's quickly just sort out the shader again, so it's not so shiny. So we can see it better up in the top left-hand corner there. I most probably should learn how to set up some lights for this so we can get it to be a bit more reactive for me. So, right, See if I put it all the way down to that. It's just too bright. Is that actually rotating it? Yeah, it is. So I want 9. Anyway, this is not interesting. I know. So let's get on to, let's turn the dirt layer on and see if I actually can paint on the dirt layer this time. Yay, and let's see, does it turn off? Go back to that. Yes, okay. I'm figuring it out. And then what do I want to do? So if I curly bracket, that'll make it bigger, but I also want to reduce down the opacity. So where's the opacity? So yeah. Okay. So the colouring is wrong. I need to figure out how to change. Here we go. Why is that hidden? Aha. Have I made it easier? Yes, sort of. So I need to now make, if I drop that down to there, there we go. Now where has it gone? Well, that's definitely working on that bit, so let's opacity down quite a lot. Only downside of what I'm trying to do, which is not working at the moment, is my problem. So let's ditch this, first of all let's ditch this dirt layer because it is not so great now. How do we delete? Right click, remove layer, new layer, rename it, dirt layer. But my issue is why can't I get this over here? Gonna have to do default layout. There we go. Now get that back. But I want this. Oh, actually, what's that? Yeah, let's do that. There we go. No, don't like that. That's what I wanted. Let's have a look to see what the UV looks like. Yeah, I mean you can see the UVs are a bit funky, but the idea is in this project is I'm going to most probably go through a few iterations, to be honest, because at the moment I just want to try and get something that looks like the direction I want to go, and at present I don't actually have something that I was happy with, so if I at least start to get something a bit better, a bit more what I am trying to find. Obviously I know that this dirt looks a bit weird, like not realistic, but and I haven't got any. Now here we go. The navigation's gone crazy on me again, or is it just me? It might just be me. Yeah, I definitely need to learn how to get this texture looking nice. I might have to increase the opacity a little bit more because it's pretty low. So let's put it to 0.1. Let's see if it's a bit too high in it. 0.05. There we go. Yeah, that's a bit better. Navigation definitely still not my friend. So we can see definitely. Well, also need to change the geo around the eyes. That looks definitely funky. So the brush layer definitely gives it more depth, but the problem is, what's that do? Oh, that's the opacity. But I want it to blur. How do I blur things? So it's getting a little bit better. Still looks rubbish, but as you know, lots I need to learn. Without. Okay, let's go back to the dirt layer and let's do the same thing because it's the dirt layer is a little bit too. You know, like intense. Obviously, I could just reduce it down on there. But I don't really want to do it that way because I want to. Practice. I need to sort that out because that still looks way too funky. Okay. So what I need to do now, base layer, I need to create a layer underneath the dirt layer. Or have I not done it dark enough? Let's make it super bright. Let's see if anything's coming on. No. Why is that? What am I doing wrong now? It's not because these are not. It's not. Brush color. Oh, whoops. Normal. Duh. There we go. Get there eventually. So I drop this, and now I want to do it a bit darker. Not a huge amount. There we go. It's too dark still. Oh, I didn't. Okay, mirror painting. That would have sped up things a bit. Okay, so I've got 3. Why can I not see it? So let's have a look. Toggle UVs. Toggle on, off UV image rendering. What does that mean? Don't know. Toggles on, off whole patch. Still a bit shiny. Not sure why. I must be doing something wrong. But it's all a learning experience. Aha, so that means, so now if I get it lined up, does that mean doodle it? No, I didn't want that. Paint. There we go, look. So it's all sort of getting there. Right. So let's get that down the middle. And I want, let's see what this. Oh, there we go, got there eventually. That was a bit of a waste of time. So I'm trying to be in normal, not bump. I want normal. Why can't I see a difference in the normal? Okay, so this is quite nice to see on the ortho. So I can now ramp it up here because I kind of just want to get this bit painted. Oh, I didn't know spacebar. That's quite cool. Never realised because that was default for me doing my. Let's go on. So, in general, my experience on this software is actually it's nice to use. I just need to get used to it, to be honest. So I need to go back to the base, color. How can I use this C? And there's a B for brush. P. C. P. And now I need it to be 1. And the reason is, so now I can just paint. Come on. No? Nothing happening? Something is happening, just not. So I need to change my brush. obviously have to go over here to change my brush. Let's just do hard. Okay. Painted, why is it look different? Oh, nice. Just want it to be filled. Duh. Normal. Definitely learning some things. Okay, there we go. Let's just go for now, and then if I go for a spacebar, go to my layers, I can then turn that on. Lips color, and I need to go to and it's C to get that, and then P. So I think that's a bit intense. Let's just put it to 0.1. Curly bracket, whatever it's called. There we go. So the lips are now getting a bit more colour. I mean, it's a bit intense. Yes, I know, but I can adjust that. Adjust that. But it is starting to look a bit more like what I want. So let's get it's now just that tiny bit too big. Okay, so let's try and get a slightly different colour in there, because that just looks a bit. The UVs on this nose don't look great. I think for this first test, okay, state, I think I need to learn and do a bit of research into the best way of doing because this is like, you can see all my lines, it doesn't really look great. I don't really want that. Maybe it's to do with the flow. Maybe I need to do like that. And then at least when it you can see there's lines playing. What's that do? Oh, did not know you could do roller. Not sure, is it doing anything? Doesn't look like it. Okay, let's have a look. So, definitely needs a lot of work. So, I have imported it into Maya. Let's have a look what we get. Could help if I... Okay, so I've imported into Maya. And yeah, let's just create a different light because I don't like this light. Let's just create, let's see what it looks like with physical sky. You can definitely see the lines, see, you can see it in the viewport display, although it's not terrible. There's no the bumps and everything were empty. So I've got a little way to go to understanding the full process, and I also need to fix the hair because the hair looks wrong. Let's quickly change the light, just create a couple of lights. Now it looks like a bit of plastic, but I do need it to. Still a long way to go, but anyway, okay, thanks.